Hey kiddos, I'm going to help you along lesson number 7a, number 5. This one can be a little tricky, so I'm going to help you and hopefully we can get it together and it will make sense. Okay, P and Q are unknown. They are not known. So how do we do this? Well, we assume, again, we are going to take the truth values and we're going to say how many variables do we have? We have 2 variables, so we're going to have 4 rows for truth table. And we're going to go true, true, false, false. And then for the P, we're going to go true, false, true, false. Okay, so now we're going to solve for not Q, and that's going to be false, false, true, true. Okay, so this part is done, and this is my answer for Q, is in the negated column. Now I'm going to plug in for Q here. I'm going to have a true here, true, false, false. And I'm going to have, for the OR, I'm going to have true, 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 and false. Now this, I've solved this first because it's in parentheses. The next thing after that is the P, and then the P follows this line here, and so I'm going to look and see for the negated, it's going to be the opposite. So false, true, false, true. So here is the value of the not P. Okay? Now, I have P or Q and not P. That has to be solved first. So now I'm going to look at this column for this column, and I'm going to look at this column to answer for the and. So now, if I have true and false, following those rules, it is false, true, false, false. Okay, so now this is now my final answer column for everything that's within the bracket. Okay, so now this is my final answer column for everything in there. And this is my final answer column for the negated Q. So I am going to look at, I'm going to erase these now because I've already done this and I don't want to keep getting confused. And so I'm going to erase this because we've done that. We've answered for those things. So now I have false and false. And now I look at this is going to be my absolute final answer. The absolute final answer of this problem. So for that row, for the and, it would be false and false is false. And this is false. This is false. And this is false. So for the final, absolute final answer, this is the column I look at, and my answer is going to be false. Okay? I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have questions.